Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings in Vizianagaram. It is from Andhra Pradesh. So let us see what are the jobs available in this video. Firstly, there are many vacancies available from Flipkart. Firstly, they are hiring for the packing and operations executive position. So 12th pass or undergraduates are eligible to apply. So fresher candidates are eligible to apply. So coming to salary, it is like between 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. So I'm going to include the link in the description for your reference. So you do check in the description once. So next one, there are openings for delivery boy. So let us see what are the qualifications required to apply for this position from Flipkart. So firstly, anyone can, like any graduates, like anyone can eligible to apply with mobile phone, and two-wheeler is required. So 12th pass is the qualification. Coming to salary, it is like 12,000 to 21,000 rupees per month, and it is depends upon the location you have assigned. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. So next one, there are openings available from CSB Bank. They are hiring for the business development executive gold loan. So graduates are eligible to apply. So freshers and up to 10 years of experienced candidates both are eligible to apply for this BDE position. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. So next one, there are openings available from JioMart hiring for the delivery executive position. So let us see what are the qualifications mentioned here to apply for this position. So firstly, like fresher candidates are eligible to apply. So 10th standard and degree candidates, so degree candidates like 12th, all are eligible to apply for this position. So the candidates should be having a mobile phone and two-wheeler, it is mandatory. So those candidates can eligible to apply. Secondly, like the candidates who are having the work experience with delivery, so those candidates are also eligible to apply. So that candidates would be considered as senior associate position. So it is for only male candidates. So if you are interested to apply for this position, I am going to include the link in the description for your reference. So you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. So next one, there are openings available from ARSS Infrastructure Projects Limited. So they have vacancies for the following positions such as project manager and site engineer. Firstly, coming to project manager, only one vacancy is available. So the candidates must have 9 to 12 years of work experience in bridge and highway construction. And coming to salary, it is like 7.2 to 10 lakhs per annum, and also you are going to get the other benefits along with the salary. So coming to second one, site engineer position, only one position is available, and also the candidates must have 1 to 4 years of work experience in earthwork. And coming to salary, it is like between 2.16 to 2.64 lakhs per annum, and along with this salary you are going to get the accommodation and food facilities. So coming to qualifications, like BE or BTech candidates in civil engineering, so these candidates are eligible to apply, and the candidates should be able to join 2 weeks time, within 2 weeks time. So interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID to apply for any of the positions mentioned here.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.